فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا عرضنا الأمانة على السماوات والأرض والجبال صدق الله العظيم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم القرآن حجة لك أو عليك صدق الله العظيم या इलाही तू हमें आमिल कुरान कर दे या इलाही तू हमें आमिल कुरान कर दे फिर नए सिरे से मुसलमान को मुसलमान कर दे Respected teachers and my dear friends and my dear fellows Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh Today I am going to talk about the greatness of the Holy Quran the final and most important book sent by Allah The Holy Quran is a guide for all of us, teaching us how to live a good life. Dear audience, the Holy Quran was revealed to our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, our 23 years, and the Jibreel al-Islam brought the message from Allah. This message was collected into a book which we know now as the Holy Quran. The Quran is written in the Arabic language, but it has been translated into many languages, so people all over the world can understand its teaching. It has 114 chapters called surahs, and each surah is full of wisdom and guidance. My dear friends, the Quran teaches us to believe in one God, to become honest and fair. It tells us to respect our parents, help the needy, and speak the truth. It also teaches us how to pray fast and be good human beings. Allah has promised great rewards for those who learn the Quran and teach it to others. We should try to recite the Quran every day, understand its meaning, and follow its teaching in our lives. By doing this, we will please Allah and become better people. Let us all